So hello guys, what's up? Welcome to Gmotion Animation YouTube channel. So today I am going to teach you about how to create a simple YouTube subscribe button animation. So let's begin. So guys, if you don't want to make this animation, so I have uploaded one green screen animation video. So I give you a link in a description below. So you can use it for free. Now get start to animate. So first of all, create a new composition. Composition size will be 1920 by 1080p. Frame rate is 30 frame per second and duration is 10 seconds. After that, on the title and action safe guidelines. Now select the rectangle tool and make this type of rectangle. Align into the center and adjust the size. Now rename it to background. Go to layer, open the content in the rectangle. Open rectangle path properties. Increase roundness around 18. Change the color to the white. Now import the like and bell icon PNG. Drag the PNG image on the timeline. On the PNG image and add an effect called fill. But I have a Illustrator file, so I can not use this file. I use a vector file. Drag a AI file to timeline. Select the AI file, right click on it and select the create and create a vector shape layer. Now delete a AI file layers. Now you can also add a fill effect on vector layer, so easy to keyframe it. Scale it down and keep at this own place. Make sure you align this vertically. Now make a new rectangle for subscribe button. Change the color to white to red. Rename it and align to the center. Take a text tool and type subscribe. Now import cursor PNG image. Resize it to like a cursor. Now go on 2 seconds, select the cursor layer, press P for position and keyframe it the way I am doing it. Just do it same thing. After keyframing position, select all the keyframes and ease them and click on a graph editor and make graph like that. After that, open a scale property, go to the position and second keyframe and click on the scale keyframe from the make some click type animation. just do it the same thing. Copy this scale effect and paste over like that, and a bell icon and like button. Also easy is the scale keyframe. So here done of cursor animation. Now animate the color changing after click. So open subscribe text property, and here no any type of fill effect, so add a fill effect on text layer. Open a rectangle fill properties. Now go to the subscribe click animation, and here keyframe the color. Move 4 frames forward and change text color to dark gray and button color to light gray. Close the keyframes. Now open the like and bell layer. Now open the like and bell layer. Change color to light gray and keyframe it. Click effect and change the like button color to blue and bell button color to yellow. So here our animation is ready. Now pre-compose the layer. Here you can resize it and set by your own video size. Select the composition, go to the 2 seconds keyframe it and go to the 0 second and down this. Select the keyframes and easy hit them and make some graph like this. So here our final animation is ready. Now you can export this and use it in your video. So did you like this video? Tell your suggestion in the comment box and like the video and share the video and share this video in your struggler YouTuber friend. Bye bye. Thank you.